In the digital age of continual data sharing, collections, and analysis, information has become more important than ever before. This time, we can learn together how to balance the relationship between privacy and security in the network, as well as protect the information security of individuals, enterprise, and government agencies. What is privacy and security? Privacy is the protection and control of personal information. It includes deciding how and when to collect, store, and use our personal data. And it is a fundamental human right that allows individuals to maintain autonomy and a sense of security in their online activities. It should be noticed that privacy is not absolute and might vary depending on legal and cultural background. Security focuses on protecting system, network, and data. Its goal is to ensure the integrity and availability of information, and to prevent potential data damage and leakage. Privacy information is usually related to humans, while security information is more like the sense data related to indicators or strategies. For example, although companies' information is sensitive, it might not necessarily have an impact on an individual's privacy, identity, or data. Privacy and security share common goals to protect sensitive information. The important reason for privacy in the network is to maintain trust and ensures that personal information is not abused. The security and legitimate use of personal information is one of the prerequisites for people to participate in online activities. On the government side, there are laws and regulations such as General Data Protection Regulations of the European Union that requires companies to implement measures to protect personal data privacy. On the enterprise side, privacy also helps to protect integrities, properties, and sensitive business information. In summary, privacy in cybersecurity is about empowering individuals, protecting sensitive information, and establishing trust. The important reason for security in network is to prevent unauthorized access to sensitive information. Cybercriminals continue to develop their technologies and strategies to validate security measures and obtain valuable data. By implementing powerful security such as firewalls, organizations can defend against these intrusions and protect information. Why the security is important because it can ensure the integrity, reliability, and availability of the systems and networks. Also, security can maintain the trust and the confidence of customers and users. In addition, various regulations and industry standards require network security measures to maintain. In short, security is the defense measures of network security to protect system, networks, and data from leakage and damage. The impact of privacy and security vulnerabilities. When the personal data get abused, it might lead to identity theft, financial fraud, and other forms of cybercriminals. In addition, privacy and security vulnerability might cause reputation damage to individuals and business, and it might have broader social consequences. For example, the collective use of personal data might lead to a culture of fear and distrust in the digital field and cause the bias of the technology. In short, privacy and security vulnerability can cause consequences ranging from economic loss and reputation damage and legal consequences of negative social impact.